Welcome to Human IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we are going to see manufacturing setting. So let's open the software. In our previous video, we have seen how to manufacture the item. Like we have taken the example of cake. Now in this, we will see the manufacturing setting, for which you have to click for item setting. And in manufacturing setting, you will have to check over here that create new product with existing BOM. So let's today create this thing. As we have created cake with raw material like milk, cake powder, etc., we will create pastries with this manufacturing cake product. So I will create one item, pastries, and for this particular pastries, I will set BOM of cake. And let's see one quantity. You can mention the charges and everything over here as discussed in the early videos, and you can so as pastries has been saved. When you click on manufacturing and click on add, as you select pastries, you can see for one quantity, total 4 quantities are available. To make one pastries, I need so and so quantity. So in this way, if I mention 2 quantities over here, so it will show you how much. So making a product from already manufacturing product, we can manufacture and make it complete. So let's come to, and when we search, so pastries is been manufactured. Now I will show you in cell window. Here, 2 quantities of pastries are available right now. So in this way, manufacturing setting works. Thank you for watching the video.